I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create new public reels. First, open your preferred social media application and locate the Reels tab, usually found at the bottom or top of your screen. From there, you can either choose to upload existing videos and photos from your device's gallery or record fresh content directly within the app. Remember to keep your clips concise, aiming for a total reel length under 90 seconds for better viewer retention. Once your clips are selected, it's time to arrange them. Drag and drop your videos and photos into an order that tells a compelling story or presents your content effectively. Next, dive into the editing tools. You can easily adjust elements like brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your visuals pop. Don't forget to experiment with text overlays and fun stickers to add personality and key information. Now for the fun part, music and effects. Tap the music icon to explore a vast library of trending audio. Choose a track that complements your reel's vibe and consider syncing your video cuts to the beat for a dynamic feel. The app also offers a wide array of visual effects and filters. Play around with these to give your reel a distinctive look and make it truly stand out. Before publishing, craft an engaging caption that hooks your audience and includes relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. Next, select a captivating cover image for your reel. This is what people will see first. Once everything looks perfect, hit that share button and watch your public reel go live. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. You won't want to miss out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.